Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Weeztix Action Automation for workflows in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, navigate to App Marketplace, be at the sub account view, search for the app, and you click on Install. Then you click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you refresh your tab and you head down to the custom page. Click on the custom page and the interface of the app is going to pop up where we'll have access to the documentation. We have access to the smart queue video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of the app. We have the app setup. Here, the app has not been connected. No worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. Copy the redirect URL and head to the account which we've created online. Click on company settings and under company settings, click on old clients. You enter the application name and you paste the redirect URL here. Then you click on save. Copy the client ID. Head back to your sub account, click on start setup and you paste it here. Copy the client secret and you paste. Then you click on complete setup. There you go. You'll be required to enter your email and your password and we click on login. Give access. And if you want to save your password, you can save it. There you go. Your app has been successfully connected and set up. We have the support center. You will be able to create a ticket for our support team and as well book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you will see all the necessary updates and changes made concerning the app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification, insert your email and click on the subscribe button. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and remember our support team is available 24/7 to give you extra help. Thanks so much for watching.